on how to buy things online without having issues. Yes, this is a proven strategy that we use to buy things online without having issues at the end of the day. So this is part two. I've shown you the part one. I'm going to leave the link in the description box of this video. So in this part two, we are going to be looking at digital products. Yes, when you are buying digital product online, there are certain things you need to be aware of. Digital product doesn't mean if you buy it, you will now go and sleep. If you do that, you will have problem. It means when you buy that product, you need to make use of it. That is how you get the value. That is how they are designed. So that you don't go and begin to say it's a scam. If you don't put it to use, no matter how many billion you buy it, it still remains like you didn't buy anything. So learn to make good use of things when you buy them, especially when they are digital products. They contain a lot of value that if you really put it to use, you get to appreciate it. Take for example, this particular product, you say the cloud app Stony for workbook. So when I go down now, you get to see what this product is all about. This is why you need to pay close attention to follow details whenever you are buying things online, so that you don't go and say you bought. Because look at it, they say, did you know regular people are making money with Amazon KDP? So this product is talking about Amazon KDP. So what exactly is this product about? Does that mean if you just buy it, you will now be on Amazon KDP? Let's go down to see. It's when you read it that you get to have a clear mental picture of what is expected of you. You can see. So this is what exactly this product is about. They say check out what ladder book. So this means if you buy that product, this is what you'll be able to do with it. So you can now see now. But initially, if you just look at that first part, you might just draw conclusion and you go and pay and you begin to scream that they scam you. So these are some of the things that you need to be aware of. If you go further now, you get to see a lot of other information about it. So you can see. So this is giving you, this place is telling you, see how excited our tribes are. So this is talking about testimony of people who are doing the same thing too. So there are key features that are available on every product page. When we talk about landing page, we talk about the product description starting from the top here. Talk about the product type, the product name, the whatsoever they call it, title. Talk about product description that gives you description, the pain point and other stuff. That means the challenge you are having, the benefit you get to benefit from the product and all other things, and even sampled in the cases like this one. So that is it for digital product. And they even give you the price of the product and how you should make payment. When I come down here, you get to see, let me show you as an example here. If it is not on this product, I will use another product example. Definitely there is a purchase point here. You can see they say grab your this. You can see the price, the discount and everything, and even the timing. So if you can buy within this time, it means you enjoy this offer. So let's go to another product again so that you get to see. You've seen this one, they say unlock expert crafted viral codes. When you look at it, this is for social media users, those who want to do social media marketing. You want to get attention on social media, you want people to engage with your content, you want to build your brand, you want to share, make people to share your posts and the rest of them. Then by just posting quotes, this is a very powerful strategy that works in almost every social media platform. I've seen this work severally. So when you go further here, you now see, so you will now see that they are showing you pictures of phones here and even the system here. This is where some people have problem. When you are going to pay for this thing, that does not mean they will give you a laptop and this. No, it's not part of it. They are just showing you how the finished product will look like by the time you start using it on social media. So this is it. So when you go, you can see these are samples and everything. Then they even give you other guide on it, what you use it for, how you to use it to benefit from it, and then the money back guaranteed. Every platform you see has what you call policy. So some you have to pay to get the product, and after payment they don't allow you refund. Some will allow you refund, or some will give you a discount for another one. So every platform, no platform is the same. Everyone have their way they operate certain things. I've seen situation where people go to buy things online and after everything they start complaining that it's when you don't read it that you begin to have those problems. But by the time you read it, you will know exactly what you're getting into. Yes, for those who don't give refund, it's because of some people can be very mischievous. By the time they make payment and they get that product, they start lying to you that it's not working. So I've had several cases like that too when I was selling some of my products online. Somebody went and bought it and he was trying to be very mischievous and I requested that we should go on video call. Let me see exactly what the problem is. When I went it and I realized that he went and touched somewhere that he's not supposed to touch. That was why the thing was not giving him the results that he was looking for. Another one went and paid because he was just looking at it. He felt it by the time you just get it, the thing will start working automatically. It doesn't work. You have to follow the guide that come with it. So when you go for this other one again, for this physical product, you see they have their own standard, especially for those in the health niche. You get to see it gives you the caption of this. These are called captions. So that gets your attention with the image of the product, container, and how to order, and the packages that are involved in it. When you go further, in the case of this one is a bit okay. You can see all the things that are involved and a host of other stuff. You can see the ingredients. They can go as far as giving you can see. So they are talking about customers here. You can see for the weight loss, this product page is better than this other one. This one too is also good, but the color combination is somehow poor. It doesn't really give that sense of command. So this is why I used to say that it costs a lot of money to build some of these platforms, because you need to get a very good graphic design that will do all this graphic design. You get a copywriter that will do all this writing for you. You get a web developer that will design this page for you. You get a landing page creator that will create this page for you, and a host of other things. So it's very difficult for somebody to spend that kind of money to come with the hope of scamming you. Let's see how much is it for this product. Let me see how much is it. If they put the price here, let me click order now. You get to see, by the time I click order now, you get to see what is involved there. The moment you click order now, they went further to break down the information. Choose your package. You can see $155. So you can see $55, $51 basic package and the rest of them. So that tells you that. And when you come here, you get to see they have location. Some products don't have location in some countries. Let me see Ghana. Okay, Ghana is available. Okay. Let's see Nigeria. Nigeria is there. Okay, this one worldwide delivery. Some products don't have worldwide delivery. Like when Temu came on board newly, it wasn't worldwide. So those who try to use the platform to force their way into it, they had issues. That is why up to date a lot of people are saying Temu is scam, Temu is scam. It's not really that. So you need to learn to read the information that is there before making purchases. It will help you a lot to save you all sort of things. And some products even have contact information. If you go down, like in the case of this one, let me see. You see their contact information here. Some they will definitely have. You can see the affiliate program and whatsoever. This is their contact. When you click here, you can contact them directly for other relevant information. So these key things are very, very important when you are trying to buy things online. So always take note when you are buying things online, so that you don't become a victim of circumstances, because the process of refunding is somehow comes with a lot of work too, because they have a lot of customers they are attending to. They are trying to sort out issues, sort out this one. See, running businesses online is not easy. That's a bitter truth that most people don't know. So the same way you go to a shop in physical life, you get to see people coming in, going out. It's the same thing with the internet space. So when you are placing your order, go through save the. That is why people spend a lot of money to pay people to do these things. They are not spending the money because they don't want. They have so much money to spend. They spend because they want people to put the information correctly for you, and it's your responsibility, who a buyer, to read it. That is why even if you are going to a physical store, by the time they give you a product, you pick it and you look at it. So, but in the case of digital product, you don't have access to the product directly. So they do a lot of work to put all this information for you, so that by you have a clear mental picture of what you are going for. So that is how this internet space is designed. So do well to always follow up. I'm going to be putting more updates, breaking down some of these things. And always put your address correctly. If the product requires a physical address, if it is a digital product, do well to give them the correct email address or whatsoever contact they request for. Because most of the time, by the time you make payment, there are other information that they will be sent to your email. So if you give a wrong contact information, that one it will be your own problem. So you will not go back and be complaining to the product seller that you paid and you didn't get it. So always follow it. Thank you very much for being there. I'll be dropping more.